Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the console is updated and has room to work. Edge can fail if storage is full. Once done, force close the app. Press the controller menu button and select Quit. Wait 10 seconds so processes terminate. Next, open Settings app's Microsoft Edge and clear the browser cache to remove corrupted temp files. Doing these steps first removes common blockers and gives you a clean state to apply deeper fixes without wasting time on reinstalling prematurely. Now you move into Reinstall and Reset. First, uninstall Edge from My Games and Apps, then fully restart your Xbox to clear any locked files. After the reboot, download Microsoft Edge from the store and wait for the installation to finish before opening it. This prevents partial installs. If problems persist, use Settings app's Microsoft Edge Reset to restore defaults. This removes profile data and extensions that may corrupt the browser. These steps rebuild a fresh app environment and often resolve deeper software conflicts. Finish by verifying network and account factors that commonly break Edge. You should run network settings tests and, if possible, switch between wired and Wi-Fi to isolate connectivity issues. Slow DNS or NAT problems can block Edge services. Next, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to force sync refreshes and confirm Edge Sync is enabled. If it still fails, fully power cycle the console and test another Xbox profile. This identifies whether the problem is system-wide or profile-specific and points to the right fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.